AI is advancing fast. We now have models that can write production level code, analyze large data sets, and generate full strategies. Individually, these systems are powerful. But the moment you try to make multiple AI agents work together in a coordinated workflow, things start to break. Context gets lost between steps, failures cascade across the system, even cause spiral out of control. Tasks that should run in parallel become bottlenecks, and suddenly a powerful system becomes fragile. Industry projections estimate that 40% of multi-AI agent projects will be cancelled in the next few years, not because of AI models are weak, but because coordination fails. The problem isn't intelligence, it's orchestration, and that's where Daon comes in. Daon stands for Decentralized Agent Orchestration Network. It is a subnet built on Bittensor, and unlike other subnets, it doesn't focus on training models or providing compute. Daon focuses on how AI agents work together to create a decentralized marketplace where orchestration intelligence is measured, verified through execution, and rewarded economically. Inside Bittensor ecosystem, there are already strong building blocks. Subnet handle inference, code generation, compute, and storage, but nothing intelligently connects them. Daon is that missing coordination layer. It doesn't execute tasks itself. It designs how tasks should be executed. Here's how it works. Miners receive complex multi-step challenges, but instead of solving them directly, they design orchestration plans. Think of it like being the architect of a team of AI agents. The miner decides how the main goal should be broken into subtasks, which agents handle each part. They decide what runs in parallel and what runs sequentially, how data flows from one step to another, and what fallback strategy activates if something fails. The output isn't just text, it's a structured orchestration plan, a logical workflow that defines collaboration. This is where real intelligence appears. Orchestration cannot be brute force. More compute does not automatically produce better coordination. You need reasoning, you need to anticipate bottlenecks, you need to predict failure modes before they happen. Once the miner submits the plan, validators take over. Validators don't review the plan on paper, they execute it. Each orchestration plan runs inside a sandboxed environment. CPU, memory, time, and network access are strictly limited. Nothing is trusted without execution. So after execution, the plan is scored across 4 dimensions. For quality, did it actually solve the task? For efficiency, did it minimize cost and time? Success rate, does it consistently complete tasks? And for robustness, when validators inject deliberate failures, do the fallback strategies work? These 4 metrics combine into a composite score. Rewards are distributed proportionally based on sustained performance, not one lucky submission. Performance is tracked over 30 rolling day windows. Short-term spikes don't matter. Only consistent intelligence earns consistent rewards. This is what makes Daon a genuine proof intelligence system. It doesn't reward raw compute, it rewards structured reasoning that survives execution. Daon also has strong anti-gaming protections. Validators must provide execution traces, proving they ran the plans. Each miner is scored by multiple independent validators. Hidden trap tags prevent pattern memorization. Inflating the deflating scores is economically unprofitable. Consistently poor performance is registered. The only sustainable strategy is real orchestration intelligence, and that changes everything. Today's orchestration frameworks like AutoGen and Crew AI are centralized. You build a workflow, you deploy it, and you hope it works. There is no decentralized verification, no competitive stress testing, no economic pressure forcing improvement. Daon transforms orchestration into a competitive environment. The best strategies earn more rewards and evolve. The weakest approaches fade out. Over time, this creates a living marketplace for proving coordination strategies. Plans have measurable performance histories. Reliability and efficiency becomes transparent. In its early phase, Daon focuses on developer adoption and tooling. Then it moves into enterprise pilots. Eventually, it evolves into a searchable orchestration marketplace, where orchestration plans and agent capabilities and reliability scores are publicly visible, where agents can be selected automatically based on verified track records, where real-world value directly influences token flow. If Daon delivers coordination intelligence, the marketplace rewards it. If it doesn't, emissions flow elsewhere. Product market fit becomes embedded into the protocol. AI doesn't fail because it lacks capability. It It fails because capability isn't coordinated effectively. Daon turns coordination into something measurable and verifiable. It's not another AI subnet. It's the layer that makes multi-agent system reliable at scale. And that's Daon.